You may have heard about automatic tool changers, but did you know this tool changer itself can be adapted for different applications, different robots, different payloads, different connections, different production needs? That's where modularity makes the difference.
In manufacturing, flexibility and productivity are becoming more important than ever. Production chains, batch size change, and the same robot cell may need to handle different tasks. But if the system is too fast, every change becomes more complicated. That's where Staubli's modular tool changer becomes interesting, because it allows the robot cell to be configured around the application, not the other way around.
What makes this different for a standard tool changer?
This 1531 is different than a standard tool changer because we have high power, which is called a high kVA, which is used in welding applications. So if you were doing a weld gun or a fixture that needed welding, this is a Staubli product as well. So we have a welding module. We have a communication module here that's Ethernet. So we tell the robot and the rest of the tooling what our robot is doing. We also have pneumatic and water ports. So this tool changer will allow you to change between a weld gun and, say, a large material handling end effector. So now one robot is able to complete multiple tasks. So that's really what makes this different than a standard tool changer. And our product is very, very strong and very robust. We have, as you see, 5 right here, areas where we have locating pins that come and locate this tool changer. So it is very strong. 1,530 kilograms is over 3,000 pounds. So there's not a lot of tool changers on the market that can handle what we call a payload or that performance.
And for manufacturers, how does this help when production needs change?
How this helps manufacturers is if you have a robot that's dedicated to one task, you have to add a second robot or a third robot. That's very expensive and very complicated. Our tool changer allows you to build maybe one type of vehicle or a truck for a period of time, and then you can change from the robot to a new tool and maybe build a different batch of vehicles. So it allows you to have flexibility without really increasing the footprint. A lot of production plants do not have the floor space, and it's very expensive to buy a whole new robot. So with our tool changers, you're able to do multiple tasks in multiple models. So you become more efficient and saves you money and cost.
It's not only about changing tools, it's about creating faster, safer, and more flexible automation.